scary? That's awesome. I'm so proud of you. Right out there.
And what else?
What else y'all do? And you jumped in it? Oh, oh really? How fun was it? Was that exciting? Do you love the water? Yeah, show me that jump. One more time. Let's see the big jump. Oh, y'all got to do that?